My name is Monica.
My name is Philip Rustad.
Mi nombre es Edwin Gómez.
My name is Michelle Sacra.
My name is Prakash Agrawal.
Kathy.
My name's David. I'm the leader of the OEM Solutions business within Ingersoll Rand. We sell air ends and components to companies that build.
So I hear that we have purpose and values.
Well, our purpose is to make life better for our customers, our investors, the planet, and obviously people in our company. Well, we think and act like owners. Having an ownership mindset is key. Bold in our aspirations. Being bold, you don't win unless you have bold aspirations. You don't grow without bold aspirations.
I work for a company who not only cares about our customers and cares about our shareholders and our employees, but I also work for a company who cares about our planet, and that means a better future for my children, my grandchildren, and my great-grandchildren.
Thinking and acting like an owner allows us to make decisions for our company and for our customers to make sure that all of us are successful.
For me, when I think about being bold in our aspirations, I think that we're not afraid to tackle the tough issues while we advocate for the right solutions for our customers. As we take ownership of what we're doing, we work with the right people, the right teams, to make things better and right for our customers. When our customers benefit from the way that we do business, our customers grow, we grow, and we both move forward together.
I don't want to work for a company that doesn't have a vision and a purpose. The good thing is, we start every one of our meetings, our weekly meetings, talking about the purpose and the values. So to me, having a purpose is like having a vision, and you don't succeed without a vision.